Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about a common mistake we make in English, which is using there and there incorrectly. There and another there. Now this can be so confusing because they're homophones and are pronounced the same. However, each of them has a different meaning and a different spelling. Now let's take an example to understand this better. Don't worry, they're there with their grandparents. There is the contraction for they are. There refers to a place and is the opposite of here. And there shows possession. Now this can be a little confusing, so let's take an easier example. Don't worry, they are here with my grandparents. As you can see, they are is the expansion of there. Here is the opposite of there and refers to a place. Therefore, there will refer to a place. My shows possession, so there will also show possession. Now that everything's clear, there is the short form for they are. There refers to a place and there shows possession. Now let's see how to use them individually. There is a contraction of the two words they are. There means the opposite of here. It means at that place. There shows that something belongs to them or is related to them. Now let's see how to use there and there. It is their choice to go or not to go. So there shows possession. They're worried about their son. The first there is a contraction of they are, and the second there shows whose son he is. There you go. Now this there refers to a location but in the abstract sense. They're planning to buy a property there. There is a contraction of they are, and the second there refers to a place where they're buying a property. Now that you have understood how to use it, let's take a short quiz. Their names are written on the wall. Is this correct? No, this is incorrect because we have to use there, which refers to possession and not a place. I like to go there often. No, this is incorrect because you have to use there, which shows the place. Their dog was barking. Yes, this is correct because it shows possession. They are getting late. It's correct because it's the contraction for they are. I hope you have understood how to use the three theirs correctly. Thank you for watching.